Hi, it's Michael Pincus, the Grape Guy for OntarioWineReview.com, and today is our fourth bottle of Ontario Rosé that I'm going to recommend that you have on hand this summer. Today, I'm going to get a little bit serious. From the company that brought us that playful Ladybug Rosé, you know, the rosé that has the unfortunate name, a blend of red grapes with a touch of sweetness left behind, that one that everybody seems to love to drink and bring out and have fun with. That company, Malivar Wine Company, has turned very serious when it comes to rosé. Sure, they still make the Ladybug, but you also want to pick yourself up a bottle of this, the 100% Pinot Noir offering that turns that playful style of Ladybug right on its head. This delivers a very serious version of rosé that rivals those of southern France, a place that's known for making very serious and very good rosé. This one has lemon, peach pit, and raspberry. They all have their time to shine, both on the nose and on the palate. Absolutely wonderful. Very dry, very food friendly. It's the kind of wine you want to pair with cold salmon, with summer salads, peaches, anything that you would bring on the back deck in the middle of the afternoon and have a bite of. This wine would go very well with it. It's the Malivar 2013 Moira Rosé. Price is $21.95, and I give it 4 stars out of 5. I'm Michael Pincus, the Grape Guy for OntarioWineReview.com. Join me again tomorrow when we look at our last bottle of Ontario Rosé, right here on the back deck.